It begins not with machines, but with the sun and the soil.
Each pod is a capsule of flavor, waiting to be unlocked.
From the hands that pick them to the crates that carry them. Secured and ready, the journey east begins. Away from the quiet and towards the hum. The first of many thresholds crossed. From dirt paths to asphalt veins, the flow begins. A single thread in a vast, moving tapestry. Even the longest journey needs a moment's pause. Boundaries are just lines on a map for what we harvest. The outskirts of progress, where raw becomes refined. The journey's end is the factory's beginning.
You're clear. Proceed.
Organized chaos, where every vehicle has a purpose. Precision parking at the gateway to processing. The seal is broken. The harvest meets the factory. The raw material finally at its destination. The first lift. The handoff from transport to transformation. Over the threshold. The work truly begins. Released from their containers, the next chapter unfolds.
Shake loose the journey's dust. What remains is pure.
A ritual cleansing. Water washes away the last of the earth. Cleansed and vibrant, they glisten under new light. The human touch, eyes and hands ensure only the best proceed. Sorted, inspected, and assembled, the raw material is now prepared. The journey towards transformation reaches its mechanical heart. Whole pods meet spinning hammers. The structure breaks. Air and force separate, leaving only the essence behind. Coarse and aromatic, it moves towards refinement. Precision engineering transforms coarse into fine.
From rough harvest to silken powder, the core is complete. Precision measured, each batch finds its perfect balance.
Revealed and ready for the next transformation. In the belly of the blender, individuality becomes unity. A pinch of science ensures the final product's perfection. The final check. Quality confirmed by eye and expertise. A unified batch, born from raw and refinement, now moves as one. Silent and precise, automation takes the weight. Vertical vaults of ingredients, organized by invisible intelligence. One mind, overseeing 1,000 automated hands. On a current of air, the powder flies to its final form. Speed and precision, one jar at a time, hundreds every minute. An electronic eye, judging perfection in a flash of light. A second chance, guided by human judgment. Perfection, restored by a steady hand and a keen eye. A perfect seal, applied in a fraction of a second, every single time. Invisible energy creates an unbreakable promise of freshness. Identity and information wrapped around each jar at incredible speed. Every detail complete, they await the final judgment. From the heart of production, a single jar is chosen for judgment. Silence and sterility, the place where promises are proven.
Invisible threats are made visible, ensuring what we cannot see.
Moisture is the enemy of shelf life. Here, it is measured and mastered. Magnified 100 times, the powder reveals its true character. A digital signature, backed by science. The batch is now certified. The final vessel. The chili finds its shelf-ready home. Strength and grace, building towers of finished product. Sealed and secured, protected for the journey ahead. A place for every pallet, and every pallet in its place. From storage to shipment, the final handoff.
And this is how modern factories produce chili powder from start to finish.